I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest right here.
Hey guys, my name is Shanice. I'm the National Brow Artist from Benefit Malaysia.
And today we're doing something magical on my brows.
And make sure you stay tuned to the very end because we have an exciting announcement giveaway for all of you guys.
And before jumping into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow us on Instagram at DaintyDashBeauty,
at browqueen_Shanice.
Make sure you follow Benefit Malaysia as well. Give this video a like if you enjoy and comment down below what future videos would you like to see, and just keep watching.
So right now, Dash has bare brows. So the first thing before waxing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map her brows to find the perfect brow shape. Look in front. So it's important to find the start, the arch and the end of your brows, just so that it will enhance your natural beauty as well. Right, so done mapping, and then next I'll be tracing them to create a natural brow shape. Alright, so as you can see, once her brow shapes are there, and this is a natural brows, so what I'm going to do is just to clean up her sparse areas outside of the brow shape, just so that her natural brows look more defined. So I'm just going to use the pre-waxed oil to protect your skin from lifting.
What do you mean by lifting?
Because if you don't have a pre-wax oil on your skin, and then if you do it without the pre-wax oil, you might get
irritation,
irritation and skin between.
So brow waxing can really remove all the sparse hair, the bushy brows, make it like very perfect.
Yes, to kind of intensify the natural looking of your brows, and at the same time, it's easier for you to find your natural brow shape.
So you can just draw,
yes.
No need to care about the sparse.
Yes, exactly.
So this is the brow waxing part.
Yes.
Even though it's a bit like itchy, but it's not really that pain. I just really love when the wax touch my skin. It's just very warm feeling.
Done with one side. So I'm just gonna do one side of her brows, and then you can see the difference of the whole procedure. On one side,
it's like before and after.
Yes. It's from now to wow.
Now to wow.
So right now, I'm just gonna take tweezer and just pluck out a few stray hairs that were left behind.
A lot of people ask me, how do you actually draw your brows so nicely? I feel that the most important part is the base. Exactly. Because if you have brow hair everywhere, you don't even know your brow shape. Yeah, exactly. So it's once you get this brow waxing done, you already have that shape right there. So it's just so much more convenient.
Exactly, and so easy to just draw and trace like the natural shape.
Yep.
Now you can already see the difference after waxing,
even without any brow products, right?
Yes, even without any brow products.
Now let me see. Oh my god, you can see it's so clean right here. This whole area right here is so clean, and you can see this part. You can see all the hair, and then this part you can see it's like so bare. So what I can do is just like fill it in again, like done.
So now I'm using the aloe cooling gel with a bit of water, and I'm just gonna pat it, to cool down the skin and to reduce the redness as well. Alright, so after the brow waxing part, now we are moving on to brow styling. So the first thing I'll be using is Bravo Conditioning Primer. So this is a nutrient-rich primer for you to prime your brows, at the same time giving you that volumizing result. So you can even use it before you sleep as a skincare to grow more of a fuller looking brows. I'm using shade number 4 for Dash Brow. So how do I find the perfect shade is based on her hair color, skin tone, and mainly eyebrow hair. Okay, so I'll be using shade number 4.
I love this pencil.
Right, it's super easy. It's my everyday go-to as well. And it comes in a customized teardrop shape for you to achieve a natural looking result for your eyebrows. So the first things first, I'll be using the spoolie and just brush through her brow hair. Okay, and then I'll be starting from the bottom of her brows and just following her natural shape. So you want to start off with the base and then go towards the end. To even out the harsh lines, I'm going to be using the spoolie and just blend it. And one tip about achieving a natural brows is to always blend the front part of your brow because you want to see the gradient of your brows.
So it won't look so harsh at the beginning as well.
So I'll be using Gimme Brow Plus next in shade 4 to achieve a fuller looking brows. So this contains microfiber gel which is known to adhere on the skin and hair to achieve the natural yet volumizing look. So I'll be using shade number 4. So it comes in a very cute peppered brush.
And the brush is super tiny.
Yeah, you can use it by itself or you can top it off with your favorite eyebrow product, just like I did on the Dash Brows. So this is the final look of natural brows. I hope you like it.
It's so much different. Like seriously, so much different,
right? So I just want to show you guys the difference. So this is before, right? And this is after. So you can see how this simple yet natural looking brows can complement the whole look. It enhances her natural features, her natural beauty, and as well as her makeup. So her makeups are all worth it.
Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the process and how's my brow looking.
She looked amazing!
Yeah, I love my brows. So my gloves are flick. And now it's time for the exciting part.
Yes. So 3 lucky winners will be able to experience the free brow pampering session by NBA, which is me, with additional goodie bag.
So all you have to do is just follow the rules down in the description box below. Don't worry, it's going to be super easy. You just follow all of our Instagram and stay tuned for the picture on our Instagram, which is somewhere around the screen right here. Stay tuned for the picture because all the rules will be on that picture caption. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much, Shanice, for having me. And stay tuned for my upcoming video, and I'll see you guys next time.